as a flyer came through on the same
Yes,
little
center
truck,
line, yeah.
it's coming up.
Yeah. Cause they're, that center lane, they're hauling it. That's an express, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah, they're really moving on that line.
I would go to into town at the station in Brooklyn, and I'd watch.
Yeah,
They-
yeah,
And they come over to this place
yeah.
and get over there to Salt Creek, and that's the dust to just roll. They had me running 70 or 80 miles an hour.
Oh yeah, I liked it. It's like when you took the Lakeshore Limited and they hit that high-speed rail, you don't even feel the train on the rail anymore. It's like smooth when it gets going that fast.
Well, the amount of contact between the wheel and the rail about the size of a dime.
Yeah,
There's no much.
yeah.
Well, you know, when you tell people that, they don't believe it sometimes.
Wow.
Then there people would stop and look like, we're doing no training.
Well, I know enough to picture it.
I for this top of that gate.
You go in here more.
Yeah.
In LaGrange, there's a couple places that deal with art, and one of them, you know,
I know which one you're talking about. There's actually a couple of them along there.
I went in there and I said, well, for insurance purposes, I'd like to get some idea of what this thing would be valued at. And the guy said, well, what size is it? It's well, it's a big reef. It makes no difference. Big reefs tell by the name and the size.
Yeah. Yeah. That is absolutely beautiful.
He said,
Yeah.
I said, how much would this cost you? You do it for gas and system.
Right.
Oh, $250.
Right. Wow. That was it.
68, 69.
Yeah.
We'll never sell it.
No, that is.
Um,
Just taking care of it. Yeah, they sure can share everything. Yeah.
well, it's coming through the insurance on the house. And then when they come
I
in,
remember when I got your limit on it, all right? Yeah, I said the same thing about my mother that passed away being a new soul. Well, yeah, you got covered.